Good afternoon. Today on Customer States What? We're going to be doing a headlight restoration to both headlights. Very good, and as you can see, we already taped off our bumper and fender on both sides. So let's get into it. Alright guys, the product that we're going to be using is the Mother's Power Plastic for Lights plastic polish. We got our drill, we got our ball. Somebody shut the freaking door! Thank you. So let's apply it. Just going to apply a light layer. I like to do this. I don't know if anybody else does, but we'll see how this works out. Oh, that's too fast. Oh yeah, we're rubbing it in. Now you can add more product if you want. You might need to, depending on how bad the lens is. You may have to do this in a couple of steps. But as you can see, it's already starting to do a good job. Let's get a different angle on this. I might. Oh, the clear coat? Yeah, I'll probably put the clear coat on after.
I prefer to buff them at home. I use a good feeling.
BG had like a really good kit.
The quick kit with the aerosol can?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, polish it like you polish your knob.
Always keep your knob warm, guys. The CSW knob warmer is coming soon. Shifter knob warmer.
The polish prematurely exploded.
Yeah, I see. I got premature polish everywhere, apparently. Yeah, you never want to be premature with your polish.
Not the jig.
Yeah, his first time lasts an hour and a half. Yeah, right. I don't think I ever lasted an hour and a half.
I was telling him how bad you push up the knees.
Alright, now I'm going to have to stop recording, guys. As you could clearly see, guys, we are looking pretty clear. We'll give her a wipe down with a nice chamois. Clean the bumper of all the excess buffing agent. I think it's looking good. I think it's looking a lot different from the other side. Alright, here's before. Here's how this side looks. Didn't really do anything yet to this side, just tape off the lens. Go to this side. Oh, look at that. Look at that, nice and clear and clean. very good.
Pretty sure she has.
Now let's go ahead and move on to this one. Alright guys, you remember how they looked before. Look at them now. Passenger side looking great, but I noticed something. It looks like they tried to replace one 194, two 194 bulbs, and then the one that actually got it in and made it into the socket. Three 194 bulbs. But the headlights are looking good. They're going to be able to see at night now. There was a stick that I couldn't show you because it is a trade secret of mine. I did install a clear coat and hit it with the heat gun. Why with the heat gun? Well, it's below freezing outside, guys, and it's pretty cold in the shop today, so now it's looking good. So if you guys don't know what to do now, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further content.